how to disable App Diagnostic Access on Windows 10 and 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable App Diagnostic Access on Windows 11. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply press Windows plus I to open the settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply look at the left-hand sidebar and there you simply have to click on Privacy and Security. And now here, once you are inside the privacy and security, then you simply have to scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as App Diagnostics. So here, simply click on it and now here inside this option there you can see the option labeled as App Diagnostic Access. So here you simply have to toggle off this option and that's it. That's how you can disable App Diagnostic Access on Windows 10 and 11. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.